There are pups. Just come home from work the first day and they won't be still. Charlie's been bugging her every second they're together, apparently. See a lot of this. Right? Uh-oh, what you doing? Well, that's a first. They've never seen Charlie do that before, which is surprising given how many girlfriends he has. Hello. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie Posey. There's Charlie. He says, I love my Rosie Posey. She's my good sister and I like her. Yeah. I'm a little afraid of her. But she tells me when I'm being bad. This is funny. It's like they're now being all calm for the camera. Rosie. Hi, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, boy. Puppies. Da-da-da. Yeah, it kind of goes on like this. Wow, look at that. Something. Ferocious. And it just kind of goes on like this. Puppies! Very good. Pups? Good pups.